What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be giving you a review of last week's trades, and I'm going to be teaching you a very simple option strategy. Let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to teach you this very simple option strategy that you can start using today. So right now we're looking at S&P 500. So the ticker for this is SPY. SPY is a very commonly traded stock because SPY has a lot of volume, so people like to trade options contracts on SPY. So this strategy uses gap fills. So gaps are the distance between where price closes and then where it opens up the next day. You can also mark a high or a low as a gap as well. So right here you can see that we have this high, and then we also have this gap right down below. You can see right here that once price creates this high, we actually come up and target this high twice. The first time we target this high was right here, and then we come down and we target it again. So you could have looked at this and say, okay, we just rejected this high. I'm expecting price to reject off this high again. So you could have took some put options right here. Put options basically mean that you make money when the price of the stock goes down. So you could have gotten to some put options right here and then targeted this gap right here as your take profit. So now I'm going to show you all exactly how these gaps are created. So right here you can see that this is where price closes on Tuesday right here, and this is where price opens up on Wednesday. So a lot of people ask me, how do you actually mark out a gap? Very simple. Mark where price closed and then mark where price opened and then draw a gap between the distance between those 2 points. Just like this, right? So this is where price closed and then this is where it opened up the next day. You can see how important this gap is by looking at it right here. We come down and we bounce perfectly off the bottom of the gap, literally to the exact cent. It does not get more accurate than this. And then we also come down and target this gap again after we reject it off of this highs. So gaps are very nice because they give you an area on the chart where price is likely to have a large reaction. So this strategy is actually very similar to my future strategy, which uses areas of liquidity, which also show us exactly where price is likely to have a large reaction. It really just comes down to two things, everybody. Levels and reactions, right? So levels, so what levels are we marking out? In this case, it's gaps. And then what are the reactions? So right here, you can see that we had a bounce, right? And then we had a rejection, we had another rejection. So the levels I mark out are gaps, and the main reactions I look for are bounces, rejections, break and retest. So now I'm going to show you our full profit and loss report from all of our trades given out in our premium community last week. So you can see that we had 3 losses. And then if I scroll down a little bit, you can see we had 3 losses and 14 wins, so that brought our win rate to 82%. So 82% of the trades we took were super profitable. And just to give you guys kind of a rule of thumb of like what's a good win rate, what's not, 60% is a really good win rate. So if you have a 60% win rate, that is a great win rate, even if you have a 55% win rate. So 82% win rate is really good. So now we're going to go over to some profits that our premium members have made from all these trades so you guys can see how people are making money using these trades. So right here, you can see that Josh made $227, 2 minutes into market open, so that's awesome. He actually took a trade based on our daily watch list that's sent out every single day. My man Mikey made $3,000. This was actually trading futures with me on my live stream. My man Sergio made a quick $267 trading options by following one of our options alerts. My man Winter J with a quick profit of $200 following one of our options alerts. This is awesome, so I want to take a second to talk to you about Frank. Frank is one of my lifetime premium members. If you're a lifetime member, you get a one-on-one mentorship with me. So basically, anytime you have a question or you need help with something, you can reach out to me and I'll help you. So Frank needed some help with his strategy. So he was asking me some questions on how to find great entries, how to find great places to enter and exit trades. I was working with him. I would say that it's paying off. I mean, Frank made $11,000 in 3 days trading options. Right? So that just shows you the power of information because he was so close to getting to that point of making a lot of profit, to making a lot of money, and he just needed this one little fix. So he asked me, he reached out to me, I worked with him, I helped him, and I finally got him to that point where now he's making significant money. I mean, 11 grand a week, it's like 45 grand a month. That's a lot of fucking money. This is my man Winston, who just had his first $1,000 week. So as you can see, there's people who are making money with all different account sizes. So some people are making $11,000 a week, some people are making $1,000 a week. So no matter what size account you have, you're still able to make money if you're in the premium community just because we're providing you with such high quality setups that you're able to take that setup and turn a little bit of money into a lot of money because we're targeting setups with a really good risk to reward, meaning if you put in a little bit of money, you can make a lot of money because we're targeting really high quality setups. This is my man Jay, who made a quick $472 taking some scalp trades. So basically what he's doing is he's watching all of the premium courses and he's learning the strategy and he's taking that strategy and then using it for himself. So it's working for him, right? He's grown his account by 20% in 1 day, making $472. So really cool stuff there. My man Sergio with a quick $165 following one of our daily watch list plays. My man Winter J with a quick $422 from one of our options alerts. Another one of our premium members is making some money off of one of our options alerts that we sent out. And then my man Leek made $250 off one of our options alerts. And then my man Barry made $438 in a week following our options alerts. So this is awesome, guys. This is another one of my lifetime premium members. So he's been working with me. I've been helping him out one-on-one. And he just had his first $2,000 day. So he bought the lifetime premium membership in the beginning of June, and then shortly after that, he had his first $1,000 day. And then today, in July, he had his first $2,000 day. So he's making money and he's making progress. That's what I love to see, is just new milestones, right? So he's able to have that first milestone of a $1,000 day. Now he had a $2,000 day. Next, he'll probably hit a $5,000 day. This is my man Gibby, who made a quick $600, and he just joined yesterday, he said, and he's already making profit. So that's awesome. He already made his membership fee back plus a lot more. This is some weekly profits from my man Space. He made a quick $2,271 this week, so that's awesome. And he just said he's thankful for the knowledge, mindset, and strategy. So if you guys don't know, I am always in the premium chat. So if you're somebody who wants to learn from me or just talk to me, I'm always in the premium chats and I'm always on the live stream. So that's the place to talk to me. That's the place to ask me questions. My man Aiden with a quick $14,000. He's trading forex. So you can see that people are trading all different types of assets in our community. This is awesome. So this is one of our members spending his profits and enjoying a nice dinner out. Looks like we got some mac and cheese and some steak going on there. That's great. I love to see that. Last night, one of our members made $11,000 trading futures using my strategy. So if you don't know, we have a full educational course inside of Premium. It's called Premium Courses. And we start at a very, very basic level, literally teaching you everything we know from the basics. And then we go into my strategy. We go into how I enter trades. We go into mindset. We go into literally everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. These are some more profits from AK Trader. He took these plays off the watch list. He's up 50%, and he blurred out the dollar amount, and I'm gonna let you know right now, it is a lot of money. He's a very humble guy, but he's trading with a lot of money. So this is probably multi-5 figures, potentially even 6 figures in profit. Raya had a quick profit of $1,000 today. Neek made a quick 50 bucks. This is her first time trading futures, so she's just getting the hang of everything, but she's already making some money, so that's really awesome to see. My man Jay made a quick $330 in 10 minutes, right? So that's nice quick trade. So I'm gonna show you the format we use for our daily watch list real quick so you can see how people are making money. So we send out 4 main liquidity levels. So these are levels that price is likely to have a very large reaction off of. We send a level for the upside. We also send levels for the downside. And we basically say if it goes over this level, we expect to see this level. And if it goes under this level, we expect to see that level. I also send out a full game plan of exactly what I'm expecting price to do every single morning. And I go live in the live stream lounge with all of the premium members. And we also send out options alerts alerting you of the exact contracts you could potentially enter to get in the trades with us. So this is all real time, live trading. You can see that our options analyst sent out this trade and it ended up going over 600%. And then we also send out full alerts for futures. You can see right here, we send out the entry, price target, and the stop loss. And we send you a chart so you can see what we're looking at. And as you can see right here, this trade played out perfectly. This trade was sent out earlier today, and this is where it is now. And we had 65 points on that trade. So if you trade futures, you know that that is a lot of points. So we made a ton of money last week, and we're gonna make a ton of money this week because that's what we do. We make money. If you'd like to join the premium community, you can join by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon.